2b. Question 2b was asking you to do the exact same thing, but for a depositional landform. Explain the contribution of coastal deposition to the development of this landscape. You had a picture here of a sand dune and a beach. You could see a blowout hole over there in the sand dune with lots of vegetation. So the first thing you have to talk about is deposition significantly contributed to the development of the landscape. Talk to me about constructive waves. Talk to me about deposition. What is it? It's loss of energy, etc. Strong swash, weak backwash, etc. Evidence. Tell me a little bit about how deposition can be accentuated by longshore drift, and how longshore drift works, and how longshore drift can create um, a deposition at the back of the beach in some calm conditions, as well as move sediment from an area of erosion to an area of deposition. So longshore drift will actually bring sediment, which could in turn create a sand dune. And then explain how do constructive waves and longshore drift create a beach? How do they create a sand dune? In this case here, you'll have to talk to me a little bit about the kind of dune formation, how sediment gets trapped by obstacle at the back of the beach, etc. Okay. Criticism, you could also say actually depositional landform is not the only reason the landscape looks the way it is. One big reason is vegetation. Vegetation plays a key role in development of the landscape. Think about the sand dune succession, the Samoset development. So the vegetation holds the sand together, which means it doesn't get carried away through longshore drift, and therefore explains why sand dunes have been formed, etc. Okay, the blowout hole over there is most likely caused by human action. So you could have talked about human action or the relief. Okay, you can see this is flat land. It's more likely to create coastal um, sand dunes than if it was a really steep landscape. Okay, and overall, what do you think? Again, some AO1 here, some AO2 there. You can pause and read through yourselves, but that's all from the mark scheme.